Maybe your way's easier, I don't know. Well, it's all this hawthorn, isn't it? I don't want to cut stuff I don't need to cut because it's in a way all this lot's protecting the site.
This one.
Push on through. This, I think, is the edge of, again, one of those. Someone's been living here, definitely.
Yeah. So it's renovated.
Well, I don't know about renovated,
Well,
but
you know
somebody's
what I
put
mean.
carpet down and tried to make it comfortable, and there's a few bits and pieces to the side here. So somebody's definitely been camping there by the look of it. Well, you'd think there'd be a mattress or something though, but even so, that wasn't there before. Original metal door in place on the front. Get out of it.
Hasn't got the right coat for it.
Yeah. There's more over there as well, do you see?
Yep.
There. And a corner of a bit of concrete there and all. Been down there, I can't get any closer to it really, so. This is the continuation of the track that goes round in a circle round the central command bunker that we've just been in. Oh, that's the Nissan hut over there. Abandoned concrete, which look like they would have been prefab units of some sort. I wondered if they're fence posts at first with like the bit at the top that bends over, but no, prefab building of some sort remains of. This bit's a bit easier, isn't it? Move about. Yeah, I think you and I had the same thought there.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
No, not so lucky. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. I've got to admit, I'm not quite sure what this would have been. I think they had early.
Concrete thing.
Yeah, I know that. But I think they had an early form of radar at this site, and it might have been like an enclosure just to protect the equipment in case the site was ever attacked from the air, like blast walls and stuff, because these extra walls here, these sort of double walls here, are definitely blast walls. The ones that are just standing up separately on their own. I wonder if I can climb up here, get a better view of the whole site. What do you mean, really? What are you saying? What are you trying to intimate? Now then, what have I just pressed? So, It's the roof of something here. Can't even see anything from up a little bit higher. So overgrown. Where those houses are over there, that's where the accommodation area used to be. All posh houses on there now, Nissan Hut. That I think is the generator engine room over there. Don't know what this is. We shall see. Right. Is there anything through this way? There's any access or anything? Oh god, slippery wood. Yeah. Oh. Can't go anywhere very far, but can have a look. No. But it's a different view anyway. Ah. That would have been something. I don't know what this is about. Don't know if that's original or if it's just, I know it's just stacks of Aris rail, not Aris rail, what's it called, that temporary fencing stuff they use. I don't know. That temporary metal fencing stuff, and they're the concrete bases for it, I think. This site I think was used for a little bit of storage quite a number of years ago. I'm alright, I'm just sort of laughing at us trying to find the least awkward way of getting around. These things are only meant to be built temporarily. I think they could be put up, in theory, within about, like turn up on a truck, with it all packed on the back, and put up within about, what, an hour or something or other, by a group of soldiers trying to do it. Can see a bit of the construction there. Still surprisingly good condition considering it's been up for however many years. And it's not gone rotten or anything yet. Nice bit of woodworm there.
How many years is it?
80 years.
80 years.
If you're considering like how flimsy the materials sort of are. I don't think it has. I don't think anybody's bothered to look after it.
Too structured.
Well, it's falling apart a bit though, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
I think somebody's done something with it, but no way would they have actually spent money on buying new materials, like new sheets of metal or anything. No way. I mean, they sort of, you can see what they did. They set up some sort of temporary door or something here, but I mean, that's hardly sort of professional job, is it? That's just lashed together. And I think on the outside you can see that there's bits missing and whatnot. It's double skin. On the outside it's got going up, and on the inside it's got going across. I think the idea was they could possibly put insulation in between the two skins, but even so it would be very drafty. They use these things for all sorts of things, eh? Well, that's concrete. That's because this was a proper road coming down to here, because I think this was possibly the magazine. Sorry? Well, it will carry on underneath all that lot in actual fact, the concrete, but yeah, it's just been So yeah, that's that. Should we see if there's any access to the engine room? Because the site was powered by the electric, but it wasn't on the grid. And if I put it on the grid, it wouldn't have been much use if the power had been knocked out during an air raid. So they had diesel generator room. Back of the Nissan hut there. Been blocked up. There was a doorway there at the back by the look of it originally. Somewhere around here. So hard to keep your bearings. Let's keep going, I suppose. Again, you can see there's a bit of a path there, so people do come through it a little bit every now and then. I don't know if it's dog walkers or weirdos like us. No, I wouldn't have thought so, to be fair. Hang on a minute. What's that over there? I'm going to go this way because should be access to the generator room somewhere around here if we can figure out where it actually is. Oh yeah, yeah. Sends you on such a long way round. Yeah. Be careful, just take it easy going through there, because if you fall over then you're going to be in a load of thorns. Having said that, I'll probably fall over myself now. Plenty of bits to trip you up and whatnot, so.
We're not going to get too fast.
Not a lot, no. Tiny little building there. Storage, I suppose.
I'll get around there.
Yeah. I don't think we'll actually. The clearing through here actually. It goes back to grass. But I don't think we can get very far from there. I should ignore that comment. Right. I don't think we're going to get in that generator room. What's that right in front of us as well? Don't think we've looked at that yet, have we? Or have we? Oh, I think that's another sort of enclosure sort of thing. But that generator room is proving difficult to access. Ugh. This is more or less back where we started, you know. This is where we were before, where we thought there might be a way in and there wasn't. And the doorway's just on the edge of, see the corner we're looking at? It's just around that corner. But, no way.
That's too much.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Have a look at this maybe.
Maybe next village you can have that.
Or a flamethrower.
I'm just really fat person, push them over, innit?
Now. Can't see us getting in there either.
You can try going around this way.
That's the way we came in though, behind there. So we would have noticed if there was a way in. One thing I will say though is that there's a couple of different types of gun position, the newer ones they added, which I think I've got a built-in magazine, which I'd like to have a look at really, but it means traipsing all the way back round the way we came, I think.